You can make all these 9 iced coffees at home without using an espresso machine. This is the iced Americano, iced latte, iced caramel macchiato, the iced mocha, the orange cold brew, the cold brew tonic, the strawberry cold brew, the Spanish latte, and finally the hazelnut iced latte. You can make all these 9 iced coffees at home, and it's what I'm going to be showing you through this video. Last year during summer, I made this video here, which right now has almost 500,000 of views. Very many people loved it because of the simple recipes that I shared about making all these iced coffees. But also some people failed to make these iced coffees because they didn't have an espresso machine. And that's what has compelled me to make this simple coffee educational video for you. It doesn't matter which level of barista or coffee lover you are, you can make any of these iced coffees. All you need is using cold brew. Cold brew is a black coffee concentrate which you can substitute for your espresso. I have already made a step-by-step guide on how you can make a cold brew in the easiest way possible. I'll link that video in my description below. On top of that, I'll add one more video from my favorite coffee creator, Morgan Drinks Coffee, about making a cold brew at home. I'm sure these 2 videos will help you to make the best cold brew that you can use to make these other coffee drinks. Here are some of the things that you need to note. The glasses have a capacity of 300 ml. I am using the full cream milk, but you can substitute it with any other type of milk: almond milk, oat milk, coconut milk. And next, the ice I'm using for all these iced coffees is homemade. So each block of ice is 100 grams. The reason why I chose to make these blocks of ice is because a block of ice doesn't dissolve very fast. If you use poor quality of ice, it will melt very fast and eventually your iced coffees will have more watery taste in them. And finally, from my 9-year experience as a barista, I know that coffee is subjective. Some people love their coffee with more sweetness, some like with less sweetness, some want it with more coffee, some want it with less coffee. You can adjust whatever you need on these iced coffees, because my main goal for this channel is to help you make cafe quality coffee at home. Let's start with our first iced coffee, which is the iced Americano. The classic Americano is a black coffee which doesn't contain milk, so we start by measuring 100 ml. I'll add in my 100 grams of ice, and then I'll top it up with cold water. And this is our iced Americano. And next is going to be the classic iced latte. We start by adding in 100 ml of our cold brew concentrate, adding in our 100 grams of ice, and finally filling it up with our milk. You can use any type of milk. You can use the oat milk, coconut milk, or almond milk for your classic iced latte. The third coffee is going to be the iced caramel macchiato, very popular in Starbucks. To make the caramel macchiato like the one in Starbucks but at home without an espresso machine, just start by garnishing your glass with the caramel sauce. Then add in your glass 15 ml of vanilla syrup. Then add in your 80 ml of milk. Add in your 100 grams of ice. Then top it up with your cold brew. This will give you that amazing iced caramel macchiato like the one you have in your Starbucks. Fourth is going to be the iced mocha, a perfect combination if you're a chocolate lover. And the iced mocha, I'm using my homemade chocolate sauce, whereby I'll start by garnishing on the side of the glass like this, then adding in 30 ml of the chocolate sauce, Then I'll be adding in my 100 gram of ice, adding in my 100 ml of cold brew, then topping it up with our milk. And this is our iced mocha, a combination of chocolate, coffee, and milk. And the next coffee drink, which is a new trend in the coffee industry, which is the orange cold brew. I'll start by adding in 100 ml of orange juice into my glass. Adding in our 100 gram of ice cube, then topping it up with our cold brew. And this here is our orange cold brew, a new trend in the coffee industry. Coffee drink number 6, which is the cold brew tonic. The cold brew tonic is quite refreshing, and this is how you can make it. So you start by using the tonic water, adding in 100 ml of tonic water in your glass first, adding in our 100 grams of ice, then filling the glass with cold brew. This is the refreshing cold brew tonic, a perfect coffee drink for the summer. And coffee drink number 7, which is the strawberry cold brew. I'll start by adding in 20 grams of condensed milk, then add in my strawberry syrup, also 20 grams. I'll use hand frother so that I can mix these two mixtures very well. At this time, I'll add in my 100 grams of ice, then add in my 80 ml of cold brew, after this, then I'll fill up my glass with the milk, creating this strawberry cold brew. An amazing coffee drink for the summer with a touch of strawberries. And coffee drink number 8, which is the Spanish iced latte with cold brew. So Spanish latte is a combination of condensed milk. So we get our glass, add in 40 ml of condensed milk, add in 80 ml of cold brew. For me to properly mix up the condensed milk, I'll use the hand frother. So after ensuring that the condensed milk is mixed very well in our cold brew, then I'll be adding in my ice, then with the final touch of our normal milk. And this is our iced Spanish latte. And for our last coffee drink is going to be the classic iced latte but flavored. You can use vanilla, caramel, hazelnut, whatever coffee flavor that you have in this iced latte, but I'll show you only one. You can just substitute that syrup with whatever syrup you have and make this iced coffee. So we start by our glass, adding in our 100 grams of ice, our 100 ml of cold brew. Then you have a choice to choose which coffee flavor that you want to add. You can add in the caramel, vanilla, or the hazelnut. For this video, I'll go for the hazelnut. So I'll be adding in 20 ml of hazelnut syrup. Then for the final step, I'll be topping it up with the milk. And this is the ice hazelnut. You can transform it to make the ice caramel, ice vanilla, or any other syrup that you have. And finally, here are our 9 iced coffees. I've shown you how you can make each of them step by step. Now it's time for us to try them out and see how each of them taste and what I can advise you to adjust so that you can have the best coffee experience. Starting with our first coffee drink, which was the classic iced Americano, a black coffee that's not sweetened with anything. This is really amazing, well balanced, no sugar added. You just enjoy it the way it is. And the next coffee drink on the list we made was the classic iced latte. Really very smooth, well balanced with the taste of the cold brew, not overpowering it. And the next coffee drink will be the iced caramel macchiato. This iced caramel macchiato is one of the most popular iced coffees, very famous in Starbucks. Look. So this is a very smooth, well balanced iced coffee. And our next coffee drink that we made was the iced mocha. It's not very sweet because I didn't put too much sugar into my chocolate. So if that chocolate powder is not very sweet, you can add a sugar syrup in it to make it more sweet. And the next coffee drink on the list was a twist. It's the orange cold brew. It's a new trend of iced coffee. So the citrus in the orange juice highlights the acidity of the cold brew, giving you that refreshing taste. Some people love it the way it is, but I personally prefer adding in 1 pump of sugar syrup to make it a little bit sweet. This is what gives me that well balance of the orange cold brew. And my next coffee drink on the list is the cold brew tonic. Because of the fizziness from the tonic water and also a bit of the citrus in the tonic water highlights more of the tasting of the cold brew, giving you that refreshing coffee drink for the summer. And the next coffee drink on the list that I made was the strawberry cold brew. This is really very smooth, and due to the strawberry syrup I used for this iced strawberry latte, it gives you a more heavy texture of this iced coffee. The reason I love this iced coffee because of the strawberry syrup at the base. It gives you that summer vibe, and if you want to add it on your menu as a professional barista, you can garnish it with the strawberry on top. It will be an amazing coffee for the summer. And the next coffee drink, which is the iced Spanish latte. Where I am in Dubai, this is one of the most popular iced coffees. You'll find it in almost every coffee shop. This is very balanced, very smooth. It's an ideal coffee drink for very many people. And our final coffee, which is the iced hazelnut, is similar to the classic iced latte, but this time around we added in the hazelnut syrup to make it sweet. So you can substitute the hazelnut to vanilla, caramel, whatever syrup that you have, and you'll be able to have that perfect taste. So these are 9 iced coffees that you can make at home without using an espresso machine. If you have any questions about these iced coffees, or anything you didn't understand, make sure to leave the question in the comment section below. I'll make sure to answer all your comments. And also, if it's your first time seeing me, I am a barista with a 9-year experience. I made this channel to help you make cafe quality coffee at home or become a better barista. So I upload a new video each and every week to help you achieve that. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. And if you're someone with an espresso machine and you want to make real cafe quality iced coffees, then I would recommend for you to watch this video next, a full guide about making 13 iced coffees with their most simple recipes from start until the end.